Hey guys, good morning. So real quick news. We have a super high jump on Litecoin because it was actually just confirmed and news came out that Walmart will be accepting Litecoin starting October 1st. Walmart will be accepting Litecoin on all of their on their e-commerce platform just to make it easier for consumers to actually purchase things through their online commerce store. But yeah, news just came out. I do not have a position, but Litecoin, like I said, news just came out October 1st. Walmart will be accepting Litecoin as a method of payment for the foreseen future. And October 1st, that's when it happens. If you do buy right now, I mean, you had a high of 359. You might actually be able to see a full 100% return from Litecoin if this news kind of keeps up. So I definitely think Litecoin is a very good purchase. At least I'm gonna buy at least I only have about $2,000, but I'll probably buy $1,000 of Litecoin just to kind of hold. Especially now with the Walmart news, I want to see how that plays out. But yeah, Litecoin being accepted by Walmart on all their e-commerce on their e-commerce platform on October 1st. I'll see you guys later. Bye.